Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best phone selfie holder on the market, the Liphisy Selfie Stick Travel Tripod. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just someone who loves capturing moments on your phone, this versatile gadget is designed to elevate your photography and video experience. Right out of the box, the Liphisy tripod impresses with its build quality. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy combined with sturdy plastic components, it offers a solid and stable platform for your phone or camera. This means no more shaky videos or worrying about your device slipping out of place during those important shots. The lightweight design ensures it won't weigh you down during your travels, making it easy to carry wherever you go. One of the standout features of this tripod is its impressive height range. You can easily adjust it from a compact 9 inches all the way up to a towering 50 inches. This flexibility gives you the freedom to capture shots from virtually any angle or perspective, whether you want close-ups, wide-angle group photos, or creative overhead shots. The tripod head rotates up to 300 degrees, and the phone holder spins a full 360 degrees, allowing for multi-angle shooting that caters to all your creative needs. Another major convenience is the included wireless remote control, pairing seamlessly with your smartphone. The remote lets you snap photos or start and stop video recording from a distance without having to touch your device. This feature is perfect for hands-free selfies, group photos, or dynamic video recording, giving you total control over your shots. Compatibility is another strong point for this product. The phone holder is designed to accommodate most smartphones, including iPhones and Android devices, while the standard 1/4 inch screw also supports various cameras. This means the tripod is not just limited to phone use but can double as a compact camera stand for video recording or photography sessions. Setting up the tripod is simple and intuitive. The telescoping legs extend smoothly, locking securely at your chosen height. The tripod's compact form when folded makes it ideal for travel or storage. Whether you're hiking, visiting a city, or just shooting at home, it's a hassle-free companion. In summary, the Liphisy Selfie Stick Travel Tripod is a thoughtfully designed, sturdy, and versatile accessory that enhances your ability to capture high-quality photos and videos. With its adjustable height, multi-angle rotation, lightweight design, and handy remote control, it ticks all the boxes for a top-tier phone selfie holder. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to upgrade your selfie game or need a reliable tripod for your phone or camera, this is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.